Top 4 Luxury SUVs in 2026. Rolls-Royce Culli. The Rolls-Royce Cullinan is the epitome of luxury in the SUV world. It boasts an elegant design, sumptuous interior materials, and unparalleled ride comfort. It's the perfect vehicle for those seeking uncompromising luxury. Lamborghini Urus. This car combines exceptional performance and sportiness in an SUV body. If you're looking for a luxury vehicle that excels in speed and handling, the Lamborghini Urus offers a truly unique driving experience for power and adrenaline enthusiasts. Volvo XC90. If you want an SUV that combines cabin luxury, high safety, and cutting-edge technology, the Volvo XC90 is one of the best choices in its class this year. Mercedes-Maybach GLS. The Maybach GLS offers a very advanced level of luxury within the SUV category. Luxurious rear seats, high-end leather materials, and advanced comfort systems that make every journey a premium experience. If you're interested in cars, follow AutoWorld TV channel and tell me which car you liked best in the comments. Goodbye.